Hello everyone, I'm inside the mine and today we have installed a new panel that is known as Markaz, interactive panels. And first of all, since I'm inside the mine, so let me write here that is hello mine. So now you might be thinking that what is the meaning of that mine? Okay, so mine means the institute where I am working right now. That is known as Markaz Institute of Modern Education. Modern education. Alright, so today we have installed this interactive panels, and what happened in this interactive panel is that I can write anything in a better way. I can explain to my students like whatever I want to explain to them, like this is a tree, so likewise I can write. If I want to drop this part, wait a minute. So if I want to drop this part, so I can drop like this, okay. So if I want to import anything, just I will import, tap on the option that is import, and from here I can use any kind of pictures. Since today we have installed this one, we don't have any kind of pictures, so likewise we can take it out from there by clicking on the options and it will come here. So this is a very reliable way, this is a very impressive way where we can explain to our students in a better form. They can understand through this board very easily. So if I want to minimize this note tab and now I want to go to the YouTube for giving them a better or clear cut idea, for giving them any kind of pictures. So from here I can give them, okay. So this is how we can go. If I want to explain something from the Google, like they want to see the body part, suppose how it looks like kidney. So from here, I can show them the picture. So this is how they can understand in a better way, okay.